Welcome back everyone, my name is James Orton. I'm at Mazda Crystal Lake today with an exciting 2026 Mazda 3 hatch premium 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive Bose sound, and one of the most comfortable cockpits in an interior that I know of. Within 200 miles of Crystal Lake where I'm at, I'm excited to see 61 manual offerings of the Mazda 3 hatch either in inventory or at the plant as an order. It means to me that there's still an enthusiastic desire to still drive a manual transmission vehicle. I also love that Mazda this month has offered the Mazda 3 financing as low as 1.9 for 36, 1.9 for 60, and even 2.9 for 72 months. Which if you go back in previous months or even years, Mazda 3 was an average of 5.9 or 6.9 for long-term financing. Now if you happen to be in the market, go ahead and subscribe, as I will have my next video to share February 2026 deals offered with some very good deals and incentives for Mazda. Even if you're not financing, there's $1,500 customer cash for sedans or hatchbacks. There's even $750 owner loyalty and $500 military. Now this Mazda is available at Mazda of Crystal Lake. You can request it by email at james.orton@andersoncars.com. With that, thanks for stopping by. If you have experience with Mazda 3, drop a comment to add to the story. Thanks for watching, safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.